Gulgong Public School Strategic Improvement Plan 2021 to 2024. Strategic Direction 1. Student Growth and Attainment. In this strategic direction, we are aiming to increase the number of students in the top 2 bands of NAPLAN by 8% over 4 years. We will achieve this with targeted literacy and numeracy programs aimed at every student's current level of learning. We will use data to inform teaching practice and provide support and extension for all students to fulfil their potential. Strategic Direction 2. Evidence-based quality teaching. Through evidence-based quality teaching, we aim to provide accurate and challenging feedback to students to allow them to take control of their learning. We use evidence-based teaching strategies to actively engage all students in their learning. Strategic Direction 3. Highly effective wellbeing practices. The aim of this strategic direction is to instill resilience, responsibility, respect and reasoning into our students to support their learning, attendance and well-being. We aim to engage our community in supporting the school and working together to get the best for all of our students.